Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to verify your Gmail or your Google account with your phone number. Remember, this is very much important that you need to verify your Gmail account with your phone number. So whenever you lost your Gmail account, then you can easily recover it by your phone number. So let's get started. So you need to find out this Gmail app like this one. So click on this. Now select your account, like I'm using this one. So click on manage your Google account. So now wait for it, and now you can see here, you can see the security button. Click on this. Now you just need to scroll it down, and you can see here recovery phone. As I have already registered my phone number with this Gmail account, so if you don't have your your phone number, then you can add that phone number from here. So click on this, and you can edit your phone number as well by this option. Like when I click on this, then I can easily edit my phone number. Now I can enter here password. So now you can see I can edit my phone number from here, and I can verify my Gmail account by this phone number. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe my channel.